have nothing left to bet, you idiot.
The plane.
That's rich. Oh, why the hell not? I've got you beaten anyway.
Yeah.
What have you got? Wipe your mouth, Blackburn.
That wasn't supposed to happen. But you know, I'll be taking that plane anyway.
What the bloody hell? You lost! I beat you!
The thing is, Rackham, it's a very beautiful aeroplane, and you're kind of a jackass.
I beat you fair and square, goddammit! Stay the hell away from my kite! Oh, you bastard! You can't do this to me! I beat you! I beat you!
My name's Clyde Blackburn. I'm a pilot and a gambler.
I'm George Rackham! I'm George bloody Rackham! Listen to me! You bastard! Keep off my aeroplane!
If you asked me to name my biggest fault, I'd have to tell you. I'm just not a very honest person.
Welcome aboard! I'm Wilson, by the way. You must be George Rackham.
Sure, I'm Rackham. I'm your guy. Come on. Let's get this kite up in the air.
You're George Rackham, son of the 4th Earl of Windsor.
That's right. Hip hip go, Bean. The Bristol was everything.
Alrighty then, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Battlefield 1 playthrough. Fucking A, this is gonna be a fucking airplane level. I'm not too good on the airplanes. Not even gonna lie.
So listen, I know this little
I'm not even gonna lie.
What are you talking about? Girls! This is a test flight! You need to follow the route.
Yeah, so I'm not that good at the airplanes, driving them or, you know, maneuvering them or anything, pretty much. Okay. What is it capable of, huh? Okay. Definitely don't want to stall right there.
Now let's get a feel for it. Stay close on
So
his
yeah,
tail.
I'm enjoying this game very much. Pursue allied aircraft. Okay. Yeah, I'm into this game a lot. It's a very good game. The thing is, oh god, where is it? Okay, there you go.
You need to keep up with him.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Okay. So yeah, as you can tell by the videos I've uploaded already, I do enjoy this game. It's a very good game. They put a lot of effort and thought into what is going to go in the game, so that ultimately translates into a good game.
Piece of cake.
Let's
Awesome.
see how she handles in a gunfight. Guns are unsafe, just in case you get some fancy ideas.
Guns are on safe.
How sweet.
Is that not the Allied aircraft? Ugh. Wow. Okay, so I don't know if you guys actually read that stuff that was in the beginning.
I'm having fun.
Oh my god, these fuckers are gonna fucking give me some fucking
Wilson, and pay attention. Eyes forward.
motion sickness here. Reduce throttle. I don't want to. Okay, now I guess I want to. Okay. I actually didn't know you can reduce and increase the throttle on it. Oh wow. What are those? What are those? Let me see what's up. Okay, never mind. They are nothing. So yeah, the game is good. I will still be doing Gears of War. I'm actually going to record some right after this. Right after I do 2, maybe 3 episodes of this. Yeah, then I'll go straight to Gears of War. And finally record some multiplayer of that. I haven't recorded any because I'm not too good, but I'm getting better, so that's all I can say at the moment. Okay, so where... Open the throttle, okay. Opening. It's fucking opened. What the heck? Okay.
Good flying.
So it turns out I actually am pretty good at flying. It's just also in combat kind of gets me a little nervous.
Weapons check. Fire at will.
See those target balloons. Okay. Let's do it. Hello? Is he gonna get destroyed? There you go.
One heck of a kite.
There are
1,
still more balloons. Move in and fire.
2. Oh, I hope I kill it before I get to it. No! Oh. Alright, that was my fault, okay? Got destroyed! Okay, this one more. Well, one more after this, I guess. Huh. I guess I should have played this before I even tried to use
You see
the
those
plane.
targets on the ground?
Because
Yeah,
it
I
does
see them.
actually help
Try
quite a
using the
bit.
rockets on them. Get a feel for hitting the ground targets.
Rockets. Okay. Oh wow, I did not mean. Oh, come on. There you go. Okay. And this is upside fucking down, people. I just did that upside down. That's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. I got it.
Hey, that's the last one. So,
Oh, this fucking shit makes me nervous. Makes me anxious.
Lord Rackham, son of the 4th Earl of Windsor, sound like an American.
I pick up accents easily. Probably be speaking French by the time we got
What do I gotta do now?
I see.
You're a very suspicious man, Wilson. Has anyone ever told you that?
Alright, cutscene.
Jesus Christ. Jesus, what do we do?
What do you think? We shoot him down.
Oh god. Oh god. So are these real guys or are they, fake?
What the?
You know what, I think
Hold on.
with these people, with the people in the air,
Hell, this is
way better to use the guns.
Come on, Jerry. Come
And
and
it
get
does look like these are real, does feel like these are real people because they're actually this strong.
I didn't sign up for this.
I know that one of the tricks to, oh my god. One of the tricks to shooting people in the air is to shoot like 2 little centimeters. Okay, I guess I can go on to the next guy.
Bridges on our tail. Move, move.
Let me do this. Quick switcheroo. And I'm on my way. Oh baby, I am on. Oh wow.
He was closer than he
That
looked.
was cool. I'm not even gonna. Oh! Damn! Let me repair. Repair, repair, repair. Okay. So yeah, you gotta shoot like 2 centimeters. Oh god. I couldn't see that guy because the sun was in my way. But like right in front of him, two centimeters ahead, and it'll be good.
Say that again. You all right back there?
Ow.
Bit better. Is that the engine? Giving her the gun might have thrown something off. Repair what you can from up front.
Okay. I was like, what the fuck was that? Why did I just get hit? That's something I do like. I'm not sure if they put it in
Hang on to your knickers.
Battlefield 3 or I don't know. I'm not sure if they put it in any of the previous Battlefields, but
Friendly hit. He's going down.
they, oh my god, they let you repair the plane from the plane. You can repair the plane while you're driving the plane. It's cool. It's cool in multiplayer. It's cool, you know, because if you didn't have this, you would have to land the vehicle, repair the vehicle, and then get back in it and get the fuck out of there.
In a straight line. They're trying to get behind.
And I don't think there's, you know, you can land these planes, but the only thing you can like, you know, with a 100% or 90% chance of landing it. Gosh, I'm gonna die.
Where'd he come from?
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
That didn't sound so good.
Ow.
Go behind us. Shake it.
I'm just repairing while getting destroyed. Okay. Let me slow the F down. Oh my god, these things go way too fast. There you go. Dead. On to the other one. That was almost bad, alright? Here we go, gonna kill him. Oh, that guy should be down. These guys really suck, okay? I told you from the beginning that I wasn't good at the planes.
Too easy. Hold on to your knickers, wingnut.
Get the fuck out of here. You're dead. Oh, and
Where do you
now
think
you
he's
will be
going?
dead.
That way. And we're going after him.
Oh, you will so be dead, man. Oh my god, I should fucking die. But this is part of the cutscene. I probably wouldn't get.
What are you doing? We should turn back.
Ah, to hell with base.
Pull up. Pull up.
Oh fuck. Damn.
Take cover! Whoa, look at that!
Well, so this camera is clearly ahead of its time. Fucking stabilizer like a motherfucker, okay?
Let's get these pictures back to base immediately.
That's how we accidentally.
Pictures on those pictures on this iPhone would be blurry as nutbag.
Pictures would help HQ launch a major assault. There was just one problem.
I'm not sure about this.
Come on, we did a great thing. We'll get medals for this.
We weren't even supposed to be there.
When the commander sees these pictures, he won't care. We did a great thing. We can do it again.
I'll make you a deal. If we pile up on this, then you need to promise me that you'll get me back in one piece.
Sure thing.
Promise. I need your word.
Okay, I promise.
First mistake, you never promise someone in war that you're gonna get them back safe.
And don't cause any trouble.
know, I did like the guy. But he was kind of naive.
Sir, you might want to take a look at these.
Saints alive, your man must be
One hell of a pilot. Before we knew it, we were back in the air. Our mission? To clear the way for the bombers so they could blow that fortress all to hell. First, we'd have to down the barrage blimps. Jesus, imagine being a lookout on a blimp. Bad luck, Fritz. Next, we'd have to deal with their anti-aircraft trucks. The assault was already in full swing when we got there. We'd have to deal with all those defenses, then escort our bombers to their target when they arrived. Tall order. But victory here could change the course of the whole damn war, they said. Safe to say.
Oh man, here we go with one of these insane full-scale air battles.
Trust me. And bunker yourself in, maybe.
Are these ours things? Yes.
Down
No,
those
they're not.
flips! Clear the way for our bombers!
Easy enough. Watch my back.
There is one behind
Okay.
us! Good night, Vienna!
Alright. Already getting to it. Where you at? Where are the other ones?
Black guns taking position below!
I see them.
My lord,
Let's
I am
put them out
getting
of action,
destroyed.
quickly!
My lord.
Shake him off!
I just want to destroy these planes, but it's telling me to destroy something else.
How do you like that?
Okay, that's a little close for comfort. Okay, these are a little harder. Okay. I got one of them. Or two of them. I got two of them. Now. I got these two. Oh wow, that almost hit my face, dude. Almost hit me in the face, bro. Oh, please let me get these. Thank you. I was so close to hitting the ground there if I didn't hit it. If I did not hit it. Did I not get those dudes? Objective complete!
Work there!
Alright. What's next?
The bombers are here.
Follow the bomber formation in! Keep those fighters on!
Alright, well, this is where I'm going to end this episode. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like the fucking video. Press thumbs up, comment, and do whatever you guys feel is necessary to tell me how I am doing this. And if you want it to be changed, I'm not gonna, not gonna guarantee it's going to be changed, but if it might be a chance that it will be, if it's some constructive criticism. So enjoy. I hope you liked it. Again, subscribe and have a good day or night depending on where you are. Peace.